Is that for a magazine or what sort of shoot is that then?
No, it's for my own content.
Oh,
But it might go to a magazine. We don't know yet. We'll see.
I can't even lie. Have you got a man? Because that's what I've heard.
Have I got a man?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, thank fuck for that.
No, I have not.
Oh, I don't know where I heard that. I just don't know.
Who told you that?
What you have?
No, I haven't.
Why are you getting fucking anxious now, girl?
I honestly, I thought. Wait, you have a girlfriend?
What?
Yeah, you do.
I don't have a girlfriend. Are you mad?
Yes, you do. You were with that blonde girl, whatever her name is.
Well, that's just one of my sluts, like. That ain't my girl.
One of your sluts?
I didn't say that. I'd never talk about a woman in that manner.
Well, you must have amnesia.
Hey?
You must have amnesia.
What's that?
Never mind.
Amnesia? What? Cali?
What?
Oh, I can't even. Wait, no, on a real note.
You two were together.
Madison. Me and you, yeah, Manchester, Thursday night, we'll do a stream or something.
Yeah, but I can't stay in Manchester till Thursday, so.
What, Wednesday then?
Oh, maybe.
I don't do maybe.
Well, I'd rather come to Essex or you come to Sussex.
Oh, what, you to Essex then?
Yeah, I'd rather drive to do that.
What are you driving?
An F-Type.
An F-Type? Okay. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
So, do you still... What is that girl's name that you were, like, doing all those videos with?
Don't mention her name ever again, because I'm done with her.
What's she done?
Nah, nothing, but, like, I was just doing a little thing with her. I was just being a manager for a sec, innit, but, like, basically, yeah, how do I put this? Basically, yeah, what happened was, oh no, I can't even say it, but she banged my twin brother.
She's there in the background, I can hear.
Yeah, like I'd bring her to buy it. It's just one of my boys. Look, that's it. He's just creasing. That's it. He's just one of my boys.
Oh, right. Oh.
Like I'd bring that girl to buy, bro. Like I'd bring that girl to buy. Don't get it twisted.
She probably wouldn't get through customs.
Hey?
I said she probably wouldn't get through customs.
Why is that?
I don't know.
Go on, why wouldn't she get through customs?
I don't know, hon.
So why would you say it then?
It's a joke.
Yeah, that is fucking funny, that.
Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, you got the whole team laughing.
The whole team, yeah.
Oh, no, Madison, I ain't even trying to take the piss. Like,
you're very Jekyll and Hyde, aren't you?
You're lame.
Using character.
What?
I said you're very Jekyll and Hyde.
What's that?
Never mind.
Why can't you just say it with chest?
I'm saying it, but if I have to like explain every little
mate,
thing...
you got a big enough fucking chest. Just fucking say it.
You know what? It's probably bigger than yours.
Really? Mate, you've got the fakest babs about. Obviously they're gonna be bigger.
I've got a 45-inch chest.
45-inch chest? I've got a 45-inch TV at my yard. So why don't you come over and chill with me? Why don't you come over and Netflix and chill with me, girl?
Yeah, okay. Who's in the background? Is it your mate?
Hey? No, no, it's just my boys.
Oh, right, so he's come with you.
Hey, fucking hell. Cut. No, 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 no. I'm getting a bit sick of this small talk. Hey, Thursday, come down to Essex. We'll stream. We'll get something popping. Hey, fuck it. Let's do a poll. If this gets 1,000 smiley faces right now, I'll brook off Madison's batty on Thursday.
What's Well, I don't have a batty, so I have no idea what that is.
What, you got no bunda?
What does that mean? What's a batty?
Are you a top every fraction? Is that what you are?
No.
Well, why don't you stand up then and show me?
No. Gift me and I will.
Fucking hell, excuse me, excuse me.
I can't
Where
believe
was we? I actually can't remember.
any fraction. That is the most random.
What?
That's funny.
What'd you say? Why are you biting your lip like that?
Why
Why are you
not?
biting your lip like that though? Oh, the connection's fucking
The connection is so bad.
Fuck's sake. Oh, we did get 1,000 likes though, so I definitely will be brocking your batty off on Thursday. You're in luck, girl. You alright?
Yeah, how are you?
What are you saying, darling?
I've got my sunnies as well, darling.
Why have you got them on in the UK, babe?
It's a bit sunny out here.
Wait, what you been saying today?
Not much, really.
Yeah?
Just working, busy.
What, the boys out in Dubai?
I know, it looks good.
Nah, it is, it is.
Are
It
you
is alright.
are you staying with HS or you've got your own place?
Nah, I'm staying on my own, babe.
How was your flight?
Why are you like just asking bare shit questions? Like, why don't you ask me if I'm gonna come over there and brock your batty off? Like, that's a better question, isn't it?
Ooh. Wow, yeah, maybe.
Nah, for real though. What are you saying Wednesday? I fly back Wednesday, and I'm back for a few days.
Okay.
What are you telling me? Because if you're trying to do a little something, then I'm down. But like, I'm not gonna be back for long, so you got Wednesday and Thursday, and then like that's it really, innit? So you better
Okay.
like
Well, I'll see where I am because I'm going to be in Manchester Monday, Tuesday.
bear down. That's where I'm at as well.
What, you're in Manchester?
Yeah. How comes you're in Manny?
Oh, I'm going for a photo shoot.
What sort of photo shoot is that?
Uh, like a different type of photo shoot.
Why are you bare awkward? You're a fucking grown ass woman, girl.
I'm not awkward. What can I say? It's
Oh, what a different type of photo shoot. Like, just say what photo shoot it is. Do you know what I mean? Let's
It's
not.
just a different type. It's a naughty one.
Oh, alright. That's what you needed to say. You're getting your clunge out. Cool.
No, I'm not guessing. I don't have a clunge. I don't know what that is.
Alright. Alright. So it's just the babs then. Alright.
Yeah, probably.
What is that for a magazine or what sort of shoot is that then?
No, it's for my own content.
What happened?
Do you want
there?
a battle? Do you want a
What?
battle?
Did you leave or did it disconnect?
No, disconnected.
Yeah, I thought so. You want a battle?
Yeah, let's do a battle.
Only if we make a little deal.
Right, what's the deal?
Alright. If I win this battle, yeah, Thursday you come to mine and we'll do a little
Oh, your connection.
and we'll do a bit of cardio in my bed.
Okay, and if I win,
Yeah, blame it on the. Did you hear me or not? Oh
Yeah.
no, the connection's fucked. Bro, I've just gone down to K Views because this fucking shit connection. What's going on?
It's because you're in
Oh,
Dubai.
fuck this, man.
You need to use a VPN.
What's that?
You need to use a VPN because you're in Dubai. That's why.
Don't ever tell me what to do again, alright?
Why?